Now let us discuss about satisfiability problem in design and analysis of algorithms subject. Let x1, x2, so on xn denotes Boolean variables. The result of a Boolean variable may be either true or false. So true means 1, whereas false means 0. Next, let xi bar denotes negation of xi. So negation means complement, not operation. So negation of xi. Next, what is a literal? A literal may be either a variable, a Boolean variable, a Boolean variable, or its negation. Next, let's see about what is a Boolean formula or Boolean function. Boolean formula, or this can also be called as Boolean expression. A Boolean formula is constructed using literals. Next, and symbol is denoted by reverse of V. Next, R symbol is denoted by V. So this is about what is a Boolean formula. Next, in order to write the Boolean formulas, we use CNF. CNF stands for conjunctive normal form. Conjunctive normal form. So what is the use of conjunctive normal form? It is useful in order to write Boolean formulas or Boolean expressions. We know what is conjunction. Conjunction means and symbol. And symbol. Next, here we can write CNF like this. C1 and C2 and C3 so on. Here C1, C2, C3 are called as clauses. Inside the clauses we have to use or symbol, whereas between the clauses we have to use and symbol. So here the example is like this: x1 or x2 and x1 bar or x2 bar. So this is nothing but C1, this is nothing but C2. So likewise we can use n number of clauses. It is our choice. So inside the class we have to use or symbol. Inside the class we have to use or symbol. So this is nothing but literal. Literal means a variable or its negation. So we can take only x1 or x1 bar or x2 or x2 bar. It is our choice. Okay. So this is about what is CNF, conjunctive normal form. Now let us see about what is satisfiability problem. So satisfiability problem, let's see the definition. Given a Boolean formula, we can assign either true or false values. We can assign either true or false values to the Boolean formula. So it is our choice. We can assign either true or false to the Boolean formula so that the entire expression will become true. So here satisfiability problem means a Boolean formula or a Boolean function will be given. We can assign either true or false values to the Boolean formula. Let x1 equal to true, then x1 bar will become false. Let x2 equal to false, then x2 bar will become true. So it is our choice. We can assign either true or false. But the result of the whole expression has to become true. So satisfiability problem means the result of whole Boolean formula or Boolean expression has to become true. Next we have CNF satisfiability problem. This satisfiability problem can also be called as SAT problem. So SAT stands for satisfiability problem. CNF satisfiability problem means applying satisfiability on CNF formulas. So here we are applying this satisfiability on CNF formula. So what is CNF formula? And between the classes we have to use and, whereas inside the class we have to use or. So now let's see this example and make the whole expression as true. So let's see this example. So in the examination, if the question is given on explain satisfiability problem, then you can take this expression or some expression may be given. So we have to prove that that expression is true. So let x1 equal to true. Then what is x1 bar? If x1 is true, then x1 bar is false. Next we have to assign a value for x2. Suppose let x2 equal to true. Then what will happen? x2 bar will become false. False or false means, here if you see here, x1 is true. If x2 is also true, then x2 bar will become false. So here x1 or x2 means true or true means true only. x1 bar or x2 bar means x1 bar is false, x2 bar is false. False or false means false. Whereas this class result is true. True and false means the result will become false. But here what is our aim? We have to make the entire expression as true. So that's why instead of true, it is better to assign false as x2 value. So x2 means, let x2 means false. It is our choice. We can assign either true or false to x1, to x2 also. To x2 also, we can assign either true or false. But our aim is the entire expression has to become true. So if x2 is false, then x2 bar will become, so what is the negation of false? True. So now substitute x1 and x2, x1 bar, x2 bar, truth values here. So what is x1? True. Or what is x2? x1 is true, x2 is false. True or false. And what is x1 bar? False. Or what is x2 bar? True. So true or false means true, and false or true means true. So true and true means true. So the result of this entire expression is true. So this is about what is satisfiability problem or SAT problem or CNF satisfiability problem.